Good day, everyone, and welcome to FXDD live trading. My name is Nenad, and today we will see different setups. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not sure for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And by using these web addresses, you can sign up for more live educational and trading webinars. Now let's start with the markets. I will move the chart here. So the first thing that I have is the GBP dollar. So GBP dollar longs based on a breakout above weekly H3. Camarilla make the trade based on a current move that is happening. So the stop loss should be close to 30, 30, 35. And I have also a New Zealand dollar short position that I'm also running from today based on lower time frames. I will show you that later. But at this point, the first trade that we are having is the GBP dollar long based on a breakout above weekly H3 and a 4-hour close above weekly H3. Usually when market goes below weekly H3, it is bearish. But if the market goes above weekly H3 then and makes a 4-hour candle close, it gives another strength to GBP dollar, and we might actually have a long. Also, I was watching at gold. I still think that gold goes up. I had two trades. I made one trade with 140 pip win, and then I made one with 70 pip loss. Basically, I was going long, and I still think that the XAU USD or gold can go up. The point is that it's a volatile market, and if you go long, stop loss definitely needs to be lower. So we are waiting now for clear entries that will actually tell us, okay, now it's the time to go long, because you see market dropped to 1545 and then it spiked up again. So until we see a clear possible re-entry, we will not take chances. Basically what we have here with XAU USD is the market is in the channel on 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, still bullish. So 15 minutes, but 15 minutes is way below the channel. So, well, what we need to see is a move above the channel, then these kind of things here, okay? 1, 2, 3 to the upside, or eventually 1-hour move above the channel and 1, 2, 3. I don't think it might happen today. So if the market makes a move like something like this, then fine. But as I say, I think that it's enough with gold for today. Basically, longs are still the option until proven otherwise. But at this point, either 1 hour or 15 minutes is the only possible way how to trade it. On the GBP dollar side, if we want to see a bullish move, market needs to stay above this middle pivot point line that is approximately 30.35 to 30.35, 30.30. That is where market should, I would say 30.30, because we need to add a spread a little bit. So it needs to stay. If it drops below again, then we still have indecisive market, and the best is to wait for a clear confirmation of a trend. So we are still into this, as I say, waiting mode, because this trade is purely Camarilla trade based on a candle close above weekly H3. Usually when market goes below and closes above weekly H3, it's a sign that market might move up. But as I say, well, it needs a confirmation. It needs a further bullish momentum towards 30.90, and eventually, let me show you quickly. And eventually here, 31.20. This is the level that might need also a retest if the price needs and wants to be bullish. So 31.20 could be the target for the move. Maybe if it's bullish, it might happen later today or maybe during the night. But if it stays above 30.50, then I think, in my opinion, it will go to 31.20. So this is it regarding possible trades. So New Zealand dollar short, GBP long, waiting mode now. Market wants to turn. My original entry was 30.72, but as I say, it's a 4-hour candle. So if this 4-hour candle holds, well, we should see a move to the upside. So let's say 30 should hold for the move to the upside. If we don't see that, guys, then, well, we might be again in a range play. Yeah, I'm just unfortunately, I missed this gold one, but I really want to go long again on gold, because gold for me is something that is the best definitely this year, and a lot of good setups came from gold. We see a lot of hesitation now for the gold to go up, but as I say, I need a clear confirmation now. I need a clear confirmation of 1 to 3, and if I see that, I will make a long. Shorts, guys, only if the market breaks below the channel. I cannot go short. I will not go short no matter what until I see that 4-hour goes below the channel. So until I see that, longs. But again, that is why we have 1 hour. If 1 hour drops below, starts a down move, then we are not taking all trades. 3 time frames need to be aligned: 4-hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Sometimes 4-hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes, depending on market momentum. For example, GBP dollar trade can also be seen on 5-minute time frame, and it's easily. I did this also on 5-minute time frame confirmation from my sit, and basically what happened here was 5-minute confirmation. Market was going above this level. I went here and I expected a further move up. So from my sit template, there was also a confirmation that the market might go up. But nevertheless, 5-minute on sit template or 4-hour here, it's the same thing because the market is above 30.54. So let's see what will happen. But if the GBP dollar breaks lower, I will not make any positions on GBP until I see a clear trend, like maybe making a nice break above 31, and then we can buy the dip. If the market drops, then we might start selling rallies. But I think that today's market is bullish. I hope that it's not just because of algos, because after the positive GBP data, algos were trading mostly and price went up sky high, collected all stops above. So we will see. I still hope that the trend is going to change and that the GBP dollar has the chance to go to 31.20 before the next decision. Other than that, I don't see anything. Euro dollar is still in the range, bullish, bearish move. It's not moving a lot. Dollar Swissy rejecting, but still possible up move here. You see it has some rejections. Euro yen also, it shows a potential for a long, but I'm already long on the GBP dollar and I won't take over my risk limit today. So I'm having 2 positions. So this is it for me. It's okay. But Euro yen, as I say, might go up a little bit later. It's now pulling back, but this is 4-hour candle, and if it's kept above 121.80, it will go up. So yes, if it's above 121.80, we might still see an up move on the euro yen. So we are in a waiting mode, definitely. So let's wait and see. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. Basically, this is what I see. So let's scan lower time frames. So gold potential long. A GBP dollar, we already have a long. Australian dollar, it's still bearish on Australian dollar. You see 1-hour rejections and 15-minute possible setups. It's still short trend. Dollar CAD is moved up, but now it's moving down. No, not a clear trend. It's more like you see sideways move. New Zealand dollar, we are short. Dollar yen dropping from highs. That is what makes gold go up again. Gold is dropping. Dollar yen is dropping. Gold now spiking again above 1550. Euro dollar, yeah, euro dollar still struggling to break. But you know what's interesting? 1 hour here on XAU USD. If this low stays strong, we should go up. I might actually take a long position on gold. I'm thinking really about this gold rejection, maybe the final trade for today, but still, you see how it dropped. Yeah, but why not? I mean, we can try to go with a long position, let's say using a small risk, and let's see how it goes. It tries to go up. This is still a rejection here. So yeah, we might go up. But we need to use, guys, yep. I will try to go long now. Final trade for today. Okay. So gold long. Entry is 1554. Stop loss is, well, we need to use, guys, stop loss here. Low of this candle 1546. So 1545. And the target is 1570. So the final trade, guys, don't use big risk. And this is it. Let's see now. Let's see what will happen. We have a long here on gold, and 1554 is entry. So, well, we might actually see some rejections again to the upside. And this is my final decision, final trade on gold. Again, we don't know what will happen, but let's use what we have actually here. Okay, so final trade on gold. If it drops, well, this is it. Then we might start changing our opinion and we will not trade longs. But as I say, this was the last opportunity. So, guys, this would be all. So, gold long, GBP dollar long, New Zealand short. If some new setups, of course, happen, it's best to wait for major market open, not just to trade randomly. Major markets are London market, New York, Tokyo. Those three markets, usually the best trades are found on those three markets. I don't see any questions, so I guess everything is clear. I wish you a great trading day. And now you see gold is going up. We are already almost 20 pips in profit. I hope that it will continue up. See you soon, guys. Cheers and trade safe.